Hello guys, you are watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain and guys, today's video is totally your demanding. So today we will be starting the B1 Goethe Exam pattern and I will be giving you the tips also that how you can easily pass your B1 exam. So without wasting time, let's go. So guys, this is the full schedule for B1 level, that how it conduct. So in lesson part you are having 5 tiles. First tile is of 10 minutes, second tile is of 20 minutes, third tile is of 10 minutes, fourth tile will be of 15 minutes and fifth tile will be of 10 minutes. Similarly for the Schreiben, which is writing, you are having 3 tiles and first tile is of 20 minutes, second tile is of 25 minutes, third tile is of 15 minutes. And if we go forward to the Sprechen part, we are having 3 tiles. First tile is of 2 to 3 minutes video, second is for 3 to 4 minutes, fourth is for 1 to 2 minutes. And similarly the last module, which is hearing, which is hearing, we are having 4 tiles. First tile is of 10 minutes, second tile is of 5 minutes, third tile is of 8 minutes and the last tile is of 12 minutes. The total B1 exam is of 100 marks and the passing marks for total is 60. So all the best. By these tips I am sure that you can easily cross these exams. So all the best and let's go. So guys, first of all we are talking about Lesen, which is reading. So guys, when we are doing the lesson part, we are having 5 tiles and for that we total have 65 minutes. Tile 1 10 minutes, tile 2 20, tile 3 10, tile 4 15 and tile 5 10 minutes. So guys, I will be giving you one example that what happens in each of the tile. So guys, as you see on the screen, tile 1. Tile 1 is that you have to read one paragraph of German and according to that you have to cross the richtig or falsch, which means true or false. This you must have done in A1 exam also, yeah, or A2 also. So guys, let's go forward to the tile 2. On the right side of the screen you will see the tile 2 lesson part. In this you will be getting A, B, C, 3 option of MCQ, and similarly after reading the paragraph you have to cross the right answer. In the tile 3 lesson part, as per the situation you have to select the correct posture. So if you see on the left side of the screen you are having only 2 postures, but if you will be having the exam, you will be having so many the postures and you have to correct and you have to write the numbers which is matching. If we go for the tile 4, on the right side you can see tile 4 Beispiel is given to you. In that you have to yeah or nein, what is correct and what is not correct. Clear? If we go to the tile 5, you have to just normally do A, B, C after reading the whole paragraph or the situation or anything which is given to you. So guys, this is the tile 1 of lesson part. So guys, I will suggest you for the lesson part, your vocabulary should be very strong. You must know that how to form sentences, what sentences means what, and the vocabulary is must needed. Verbs collection should be very good. It will help you definitely. So guys, all the best and let's go to the tile 2, which is Schreiben. So guys, in Schreiben we are having 3 tiles. The first tile is of 20 minutes, second is 25 and third is 15. The total duration is 60 minutes. So guys, as you see the tile 1 on your screen, in tile 1 you have to just write 80 words email writing. That can be formal and that can be informal. If we go to the tile 2 for the Schreiben part, you just have to write the small blog. You will be watching small blog on this paper, and on relating to that you have to write your opinion. That can be only one-sided, the negative or the positive. Clear? If you go forward to the last tile 3 for Schreiben, you just have to write 40 words email writing. That can be formal and again that can be informal. So that's all for the Schreiben part. For this you must have the good vocabulary, the very good verb collections, and you must know how to form sentences, use modal verbs, use trend barren verb as much you can, and in B1 level you must know the phrases also to try to use that. Let's go to the next style, which is Sprechen. So in Sprechen we are having 3 tiles. It must be taking approximately 9 to 10 minutes for the whole tiles. So in the first tile you will be having your normal introduction with the teacher, with the letter and the questions on that. In the second, and in fact you will be getting one situation on which you have to do the planning. So the planning will be there with your partner, and in tile 2 you have to give the theme presentation as you see on your screen. So here you have to present the theme presentation. In tile 3 you will be asking the question and the answer with your partners. So these all are the tile 3. I will suggest you do practice for speaking as much as you can in the front of mirror, and I will suggest you that do this practice in group, so it will help you more. And all the best for the Sprechen exam, as people think that this is the most toughest exam, but all the best. Let's go to the last tile, which is Hören. So in Hören we are having 4 tiles. This will approximately takes 40 minutes. 35 minutes they give for the tiles and 5 minutes extra for the answer noting. So guys, in tile 1 you just have to listen the announcement, and then you have to cross the right A, B, C. That's all. Or richtig or false is also there. So you will be getting, for the one you will be getting 2 options. In tile 2, after hearing the lectures you have to choose A, B, C, which one is correct, you just have to cross it. In tile 3 you will be listening the conversation and you have to do richtig or false, the true and the false. And last but not the least, tile 4, discussion in the radio will be there, and you will be getting the 3 persons talking. One will be moderator and 2 will be the people, and you just have to choose ABC, that who is saying what statement. So all the best for that. I think so this style is the most toughest. So all the best, and these all was the pattern for B1 level exam. So all the best guys. If you are having any queries, just comment in the comment section, and keep following German Gyan. German Gyan offers you online plus offline classes for all the levels. For more information you can just message me on the Facebook page German Gyan, or you can just comment me in the comment section. So guys, all the very best. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Google. Share, like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching German Gyan. Stay happy, stay tuned with German Gyan. भाई मैं थक गई बोल के यार, कितना बुलवाया इसने. Shit.